So let me ask you this, right? What part of asking questions, I think a good skill is qualification, right? The overall skill of qualifying people. Can you talk a little bit more about, how to do that so that you're not a person on LinkedIn, sending a random message to someone at 3 a.m. in the morning talking about, do you want to buy a cruise to Jamaica?
Or crypto. Okay. So if you're really genuinely interested in someone, I mean, it has to be the core. You really can't sell correctly and you can't engage with people really well if all you want at the back of your mind is to make money out of this. I mean, money is important. I get that. But it is your intent, your approach. What is in your mind when you approach someone, If your intent is always going to be, hey, you know what, I really want to help this particular person and help them grow and things like that because their success is my success. If you have that intent, the way you actually approach us completely different. Like it just switch, your mind switches, right? And if you're able to actually convince yourself that your interest is the person, like the person or prospect that you're approaching, then the whole game changes. You're no longer really interested in what you offer, like what you actually have. That is never going to be in your mind anymore. That will be removed. Literally, you'll be distracted with what can I learn about this customer? What are some of the challenges that they have? What are the gaps they're trying to satisfy? And how they're doing it right now, whether it's successful or not, and whether they want to improve or not. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, you and I know that there are a lot of people out there who has problems, but they are really never have any intent to solve it. They just want to see in this problem. I'm not sure whether they are aware they have, you know what, whether they're aware of this problem or not, or a problem or not, that is a matter of perception, really. However, as someone who's trying to offer their service or sell, your job is to kind of like bring up the issue and highlight the fact that, it is an issue. And hopefully they resonate with that. And you know what? If you do your job well and really start to converse with your customer, not telling them, everything that you're good at, but actually start to go, really fully understand what your actual issue is. At the end of the day, it is an issue and they know it. And it is a matter of going, okay, what is in it for me that you're going to help me that will solve my issue? Because the next level part of that, once they acknowledge there's an issue, is whether your ability to go, can I trust you enough that you will help me solve it? Because that trusting is being built while you're having a conversation with the customer, especially your prospect, before they become your customer. So if you handle that really well, then the rest of the sales process generally will take care of itself. Generally, I'm not saying it's always, but it generally will take care of itself.